What's up YouTube, Jeff back from Sammy Guru here, and today we got another very exciting Samsung video for you guys Today we're going to talk about a bunch of updates that Samsung rolled out to the stock Galaxy apps on your Samsung smartphone. We've got updates for secure Wi-Fi, which is actually a critical update if you use that to protect your web traffic, an exciting feature update for one-hand Operation Plus, and some stability fixes with the Reminders app, which actually has a confusing changelog, but we'll sort that out in today's video. Before we get started, I'd like to thank the sponsor of today's video, and that is MagBak. Now, you guys have heard me talk about MagBak on the channel in the past. They just released their exciting new series for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. That is the MagBak Elite series, which comes with a number of features. First of all, right here on the back, you've got a finger loop you can use to grip onto your phone. You've got a kickstand built into the case as well. Of course, you've got support for Qi 2 charging with this. I've tested it, no problems at all. Also, MagBak is the only magnetic case, and even before the S25 Ultra had Qi 2 support, that allows you to also get perfect S Pen compatibility. A lot of these devices, whenever you attach something to the magnets, you get skipping with the S Pen. Not so on the Galaxy S25 Ultra with the MagBak Elite. Now, they do have a bunch of different accessories as well, and you can utilize these accessories. Like here, I've got the black wallet. You can snap that right on there. I've got the brown wallet that they've sent me out in the past. And then, of course, they also have their mag sticks, which I've showed you guys also, that basically allow you to stick it to anything. I usually have it in my car to use my phone while I'm driving, and I can have it up there just displaying whatever I want. It basically allows you to take your case and stick it to anything. You could stick it up, say, in your office while you're working. I use it for that purpose. Sometimes you can stick it up in your garage while you're trying to assemble something. You know, you have the instructions on your smartphone. Magnets are incredibly strong. Also, you've got really impressive drop protection on this particular case. You can see the raised up lip there on this case. If you go to MagBak's website, they also have a discount code specific to my subscribers. I'll have it somewhere up here and also in the pinned comment and description. One of the other things you can do with this case, which a lot of people don't realize, is you can customize the buttons, and you can also customize the finger loop, and you can also now customize the little grip section right here. You guys can see the grip section along the side. Get that in focus. That can all be customized. They actually have sets of buttons that you can purchase. They've got different sets of the grip section. You guys can see that my grip section is actually black, but I swapped it out in the back for the red finger loop. Got kind of an MKBHD vibe right there. On top of all of that great stuff, you also get a screen protector in the box with the MagBak Elite case, which has a very simple install. I've got a separate one here that I can show you guys. It's got M&M right there saying you only got one shot. Go ahead and show the video there, the QR code. Very simple to install. So you also get a screen protector. You get some added value with that. If you guys want to check it out, it's one of my favorite cases for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. I'll have the link in the pinned comment description. And like I said, you can also get the discount code specifically for my subscribers. I'll have it up here, and it'll be down there as well. All right, so let's go ahead and go through these updates. The first one is Samsung Secure Wi-Fi. This update says it rolled out earlier in March, but I just received the latest version myself. There are no new features in the changelog, but for those of you who do not use Samsung Secure Wi-Fi, don't know what it is, it's basically a free VPN that allows you to protect your traffic over, whatever your public place, like a coffee shop, things like that. If you don't subscribe to a VPN, you can get 1 GB a month for free, and you can also subscribe for a fairly reasonable price. Now, if you go into the notices section, Samsung also has some information here you can find out about it. They changed the way secure Wi-Fi worked back in 2021, but there haven't really been any changes since then. You can turn on auto protection, see your protective activity, and change your protection plan. Now, if you do the upgrade, you can subscribe for 1 month for $199, 1 hour or 24 hours for 99 cents. This is like if you're traveling and just want to, get it going. But obviously, if you're going to do it, you might as well do the 1 month. You also get a free trial. The only thing is sometimes you forget to cancel that trial. It can end up costing more money. So this does bring some security improvements, bug fixes to secure Wi-Fi. I would say it's a useful feature if you don't have a VPN on your own. I have a VPN that I use outside of my Samsung smartphone that I subscribe and pay for. And maybe I'll make a video about that at some point as well. But if you don't utilize a VPN outside of the Samsung phone, secure Wi-Fi is a great option. You get 1 GB of traffic for free. So why not utilize it when you're out and about? The next update is going to be for reminders. Now, here's the interesting thing about this particular update. Samsung has a bunch of regular not reminders. Samsung has a bunch of things in the changelog but none of those things are really new. So this is version 12.6.00.42. Also says it rolled out March 17th. I didn't get it until the 24th or the 25th. It's like a week delay. It is a 40.42 megabyte update. Now, the 4 things that claim to be new are added multiple date selection feature when setting repeat every month or year, add an option to automatically delete completed reminders, provide time and place preset buttons in the quick add menu, and provides a duplicate feature from completed and deleted reminders. Now, all of these were actually added with the One UI 7 update originally, so none of them are really new, but they are great features. And basically what you can do is if you go into completed reminder, you can duplicate it from right there. And then of course, the other one that I find the most useful is if you scroll down here, you can delete completed reminders after a specified period of time, 1 month, 6 months, 12 months, if you don't need to archive those and go back and look through them. There is one other thing that I saw in this update that isn't mentioned that I didn't have before, and that is this one: remove conditions from titles. So automatically remove times, dates, and places used for quick scheduling from reminder titles. So that is just something to clean up the title of your reminder. And it does seem to be something new because I didn't see this before this update. Samsung did not mention that in the changelog. Otherwise, it's just a bunch of random bug fixes and things like that. The things that are actually mentioned in the changelog aren't new at all. Samsung really should do a better job of cleaning these up when they push out these app updates. And the very final update that I want to talk about, which is perhaps the most exciting of all of the updates, and that is One Hand Operation Plus, which of course is a GoodLock module, but also runs as a standalone app if you don't want to run it as part of GoodLock. This received an update on March 24, 2025. So this one wasn't that delayed. I just got it yesterday. 7.4.19.0. 8.20 megabytes in size, so fairly small update. And here's what is new. You can see you've got added new section, action, AI select from One UI 6.1.1, which means One UI 6.1.1 and above will get this feature. So of course, One UI 7 is included. Fixed gesture angle settings not working issue, fixed the previous app issue, and general bug fixes and stability. Now I did have this issue with the gesture angle settings not working. So if you have diagonal down or diagonal up, it wasn't working properly, and sometimes it would trigger the horizontal swipe gesture, and that has been fixed with this update. Otherwise, this is definitely the most interesting feature. So now if you go into any of your handles, let's say the left handle, I typically only use long swipes for my customization. Let's say if I want to do now a diagonal up gesture, I now have the option to set this to the AI select feature. So now when I go long swipe diagonal up, it's going to trigger my AI select, which of course I'll be able to tap around something, draw around it, select it, use drawing assist, get directions, extract text, crop it, pin it, duplicate it, share it, or save this screenshot right there. And of course for videos, you also have the GIF creation feature. It's great to see Samsung add this. I know I suggested this a while back for One Hand Operation Plus to be able to activate AI select, and now you can finally do that with the latest version of One Hand Operation Plus. Anyway, great 3 updates. Of course, some of varying interest. I think the One Hand Operation Plus will be the most interesting to all of you. Let me know if you guys received these. Let me know how you're enjoying the updates. If you've guys seen the stability improvements inside secure Wi-Fi. If you guys are using that, let me know as well. Or if you don't, let me know what VPN you use. Again, if you guys want to check out the MagBak Elite case, I highly recommend it. It is one of my top cases, probably about at least 60-70% of the time when I'm using the case when I'm out and about. This is the case I use just because it's so durable. And also it's got so many features. You got the kickstand, you got everything. You can use the discount code below if you guys want to grab one. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching.